Mama sip on the veranda chair, evening breeze blow through her hair. She watch the road with quiet eyes, like she see past all me besties. Me come home tired, face drawn tight, another long and losing fights. She don't ask much, she just know when life hit hard and spirit low. She says, storms don't stay long, just keep moving strong. Mama say, hold on, even when the night feel long. Hold on to the pressure and strain, sun will shine again. Oh, mama say, hold on, don't let the hardship win. Tears today, but strength within. So me hold on.
She seen more than me ever will, through empty pockets and unpaid bills, through days when hope feel paper thin. She never let the dark win.
She stretch one meal for 3 or 4, still find a smile at the door. If she could stand through all that pain, who am I to complain? Her hands rough,
but her heart steady.
Life tough,
but she ready.
Mama say, hold on, even when the way gone wrong. Hold on when the road feels steep, don't give in to defeat. Oh, mama say, hold on, your time will surely come. Keep your spirit strong, so me hold on. Me remember candlelight nights when she bring me future bright. Say you're stronger than you know, just take it slow. Her voice still echo in me head. When doubt try pull me down instead. Through every fall and every scar, her words carry